Yes, okay, so we are going to start with our lemons. I have 2 lemons. Now, don't mind the fact that they are really, they have aged. They have been here with me for some time, but yes, they still have very good juice. So yes, you cut them nicely, and now we are going to squeeze out the juice just like that. Now you can use 1 big lemon if that's what you have, or you can use 1.5 because what we are making today is a lot. Also, please make sure that you remove these seeds. If you leave these seeds in, my God, our snacks are going to be so bitter. And please don't forget to remove these seeds even when you are marinating, when you are blending something, because if you leave seeds in, they will make everything that you do very bitter. So I made sure to remove every seed from there so that we just have our juice. Yes. Okay, so now for this recipe we are going to use margarine. I'm using Blue Band. Now you can get your Blue Band. If you don't have Blue Band, please feel free to use butter. It will also turn out very well. I'm using a 1/4 cup of Blue Band because we are going to make a lot of mandazi. Yes, we are going to make, we're using our flan. We are going to get 10 cups of mandazi, 10 cups of all-purpose flour. You add it in your bowl that you're using, and yes. So I have 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Guys, this is all you need for your 10 cups of all-purpose flour. It's going to help us rise our dough nicely. Now you mix this in there nicely, and now you add in your margarine. Remember, we're using a 1/4 cup of margarine or butter. Yes, and I'm using Blue Band here. Now you mix that in there nicely, just as you can see. Make sure that your margarine and your flour have mixed properly. So now we are going to put some sugar. We are going to use we're going to use 2 cups, only 2 cups of sugar, because this is a lot. Remember, this is a lot, or you can use 1 cup. It's according to how you like your sweetness, okay? Just don't do too little, because then your half cakes will be they'll be a bit tasteless. Okay, so we are going to use 2 cups of sugar, and we also use 1 tablespoon of salt so that we even out the sweetness. Okay, so guys, I later on decided to go with 1.5 cups of sugar and salt. As you can see there, I put in a cup and then I kind of reduced it because I noticed it would be a bit too much. And then the salt helps balances the sweetness. You get a bit of the salty kick and the sugar and the sweetness. So yes, and I went in there with 3 cups of 3 cups of milk. Now yes, you mix this in there nicely. So now we are going to go in there with our lemon juice. Yeah, you add in your lemon juice and now try to mix it in there with the dough to give it a bit of a kick. Yes. And now you go in with 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, or if you have olive oil, even better. So you add it in there and now you mix until it is soft and nice. As you can see, our goal is to have very, very soft dough, so that we have very soft mandazi or half cakes. So you mix that nicely. As you can see, now I'm trying to oil my surface so that I let my dough rest without it sticking to my pan, just like that. So now you're going to let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Yes. Yeah, cooking brings a mess. Okay, so we are going to light our charcoal stove. That's me getting my polythene bags. I'm going to use my polythene bags to put the charcoal in the charcoal stove, because I don't want to get my fingers very dirty. Of course, I'm going to get my fingers dirty, but not too much. You get? So yeah, if you have your gloves, go in there. But if you want to go live, you can still go ahead. So yeah, light with me my charcoal stove. There we go. Put in my charcoal there. And now I'm going to use this polythene bag to light my charcoal stove, just like that. Now make notes. I think they're called notes. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Just like that, and go in there. I'm going to use just two will do. This one, and then I have another one that I'm going to use, and that will be enough. Choose this matchbox and we light it up. Okay, so you just do like this. You just do like this. Okay, so our 30 minutes are done. Our dough is well rested. Now we are going to cut it out into 2 parts, because we can't roll this whole thing out because it's too big. So yes, I'm going to cut it into 2 parts, and then I roll out the shapes, and I roll it out, then I cut out the shapes. So yes, as you can see, our dough is really, really soft. And this is a good thing. Don't be scared. It's not a bad thing. It is a very good thing. So yes, it was so soft it kind of started sticking. Yes, so I got my flour and I sprinkled a bit there, and then the rest was history. Everything was okay from there. Yes, I took a bit of a test to see if it's just the way I want it. Please don't do this. Don't do that. Your tummy might hurt. Mine didn't, but you might. So yeah, just like that. And now I'm going to cut out my shapes. So yes, I'm going to put my saucepan on the charcoal stove. It is about time to get these snacks in, this mandazi. Time for my breakfast. I'm getting hungry. So yes, I added in a liter of cooking oil. I added in kachmol flour to tell me when oil is ready. So when the oil was ready, I added in my mandazi, my donuts, my half cakes. You can call them anything you like. Yeah, so there we go, cooking on a medium heat so that it gets ready all through. Yes. So when you are done, please make sure you put it in a place where excess oil will be sieved out, or you can place it on kitchen towel, kitchen paper towel, or newspapers. All these things help remove excess oil so that you can enjoy your mandazi without feeling the guilt of excess oil and damaging you. Okay, so please just sieve out the oil. That's the point of making this. Okay guys, so some of my mandazi are ready and I can't wait. I'm just going to go in. They smell so good, they look so delicious, and I'm sure they are very, very delicious. So please don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll be waiting for you. Thank you so much for your love and support.
Touch, I pinch you.
I see your blue thingy.
Can you see my face? Can you see my donut?
Yes. Eat it. Mommy, I want to eat your video. But Mama, I don't see me.
Because you're not here.
I'm here.
You're the one recording me.
I'm recording you again.